Hello everybody, my name is Leet and you're watching for the Leet unboxing video for the FEELWORLD LUT6S. Now, thing about this monitor is when we open the box, just like with most FEELWORLD monitors, firstly here we have instruction manual and warranty card. Then on top is the monitor itself, and on the bottom we get this is L bracket, and then here we have this is the HDMI cable. Now, thing about this monitor that's very nice is just like the LUT6 Plus. Here we have two indentations, which I hope you can see. Yeah, you can see between on the each side of the nut here. That's in order to lock the monitor in place, and then we can swivel it without having to unbind the bolt. As you can see, on each side of the thread we have that indentation. Now, also very nice thing about this monitor is that we get HDMI, full HDMI on the one side, that's to plug into the monitor, and on the other side we have HDMI mini with the HDMI micro adapter, which means that, well, basically just about any camera we have with the HDMI connection we can plug in without having to worry whether we have the appropriate cable, be it that most do not have the full HDMI. Now, this is the ultra bright screen. It has 2600 nits, and when it comes to the actual screen, it's 6 inches at full HD or at 1920 by 1080. When it comes to the PPI, it has 368 PPI. Also, it's important to mention that it can take as much as 4K video at 30 frames per second or Full HD at 60 frames per second. Now, even though we do have HDMI in, HDMI out, and SDI in and SDI out, this does not mean that we could plug in HDMI in here and have SDI out signal on the back, which is a bit unfortunate, but be it that at this price point almost basically no screen would be able to do this conversion. It's just something that we should keep in mind. Also, here we have a headphone connection, DC in, this is for the mounting of the bracket. Then here we have DC out. This means that we could use like a Kepler kit in order to well, basically power the camera or something else, like let's say a small reflector or something along those lines. Then SD card slot, this is for LUTs, another mounting point, and then here we have the menu and the on-off switch as well as touch control. When it comes to the menu, it's actually pretty much the same as the other FEELWORLD monitors, but the biggest difference is that ability to have SDI input as well as being ultra bright, which means that you can pretty much use it in any conditions when it comes to the lighting setup, be it that you're shooting outside at very sunny days or inside at basically pretty much dark. Now, something that I don't like about this particular monitor is that it only uses MPF batteries. It's fine, but I would be much happy if it gave us the ability to use something like along the lines of the 6 Plus, which has the ability to connect an MPF and Canon batteries as well. You have a fan here, which is important because this is ultra bright monitor, so it will get pretty hot. And even when the fan is turned on, it's actually pretty quiet.